Hey guys, it's your girl Ajoa Bounce, and you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if it's your first time stepping by, don't forget to subscribe below. Give this video a thumbs up and my comment.
Nigga, subscribe.
subscribe, please. You have to subscribe. Okay, so today I'm here with my beautiful princess. She's from Cameroon. Introduce yourself.
Salut.
Ça va?
Salut.
Ça va?
Je vais bien.
Je vais bien.
Olive du Cameroun. Please, si c'est votre première fois de passer par là, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner à la page de
Take your time.
My Ghana Bounce.
Take your time, please.
Je m'apprête à poser la perruque curly. C'est la tête de Ghana Bounce.
Do I understand?
I don't think so.
Okay, guys. So
I was gossiping.
So guys, I made this wig myself, but I don't know how to install a frontal wig. It's a frontal wig, so she can do that, and she's gonna help me out with it.
Yes.
So let's see how it goes. Okay.
Yes, my nigga. Let's start.
We are not even done yet. See the way I'm slaying.
Gorgeous.
You heard that, right? You heard that. Your olive is nice. You see the reason why I love you.
So that's why you love me.
I love you because of a lot of things.
Thank you.
I can't even say I don't have a reason why. I don't even know the reason why I love you.
Yes.
I just love you.
Just love me.
Because you are down to earth, you know.
Thank you.
What a Maya.
Love you, hey.
Hey, every time wire me money.
Hey.
Hello baby, have you sent it?
Hey.
You don't even know what you do to me. Your back on your back.
Hey guys, so we've waited for probably 10 to 20 minutes, and we are going to continue where we stopped. So
We are back.
let's just see the final look, how it's gonna look like. Wow. Wow. Hey guys. Woo! I have nowhere to go tomorrow, but I'm actually going out. I will go out to walk around.
Yes.
Show people, look at my hair.
Chérie, comment tu trouves les cheveux?
Non, c'est très très joli, vrai, t'as su.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, it's so nice, actually.
You know something? It's actually her first time. And
Yes.
look at the way she has slayed me. Like, we just tried it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so this is the final look, and I'm loving it. She's loving it.
Yes, of course.
And trust me, this is dope. Like, for real. It's paying. Yeah.
Bang, bang, bang.
Paying.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna end this video here. Please, guys, like, I thank you all for the support and everything, but you guys need to keep subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing to your friends as well.
Yeah.
Thank you. And
see you people.
I love you,
Je vous
baby.
aime. Comme
Bye
le corps aime la
bye.
santé.
Tu me manques. Bye bye.